Hello my dear students, this is Akash HD. Welcome to the AHD physics classes. Hope you all are doing very good. So students, in this video we are going to solve the question from the chapter Semiconductors asked in a JEE 2025 exam. You can see the question belongs to the diode, PN diode used in a electrical circuit. Okay, so let's go through the question. The question is here, you can see very well. Refer to the circuit diagram given in the figure. Which of the following observations are correct? Okay, so here some 5 observations are there. They are telling the total resistance of the circuit how much, current in ammeter how much, potential across AB how much, potential across CD how much, and total resistance of the circuit again how much. So you can see out of A and out of E only one option will be correct, because anyhow they are asking total resistance only, is it? And here you can see very well, this is the cell, one ideal ammeter, one ideal diode, and some 3 resistors are there. This is point AB and this is point CD, is it? So now if I talk about here this ammeter, nothing is given, that means this ammeter will be short circuit, ideal ammeter, and this diode can be forward bias or reverse bias. Forward bias diode means it will be short circuit, reverse bias diode means it will be open circuit. Okay, so see here, if I talk about the polarity of the battery, this plus, this minus, so you can see very well, this side will be plus, this is minus. So here also you can see very well, this is minus. That means in this situation you can see very well, this diode is forward bias. Which the bias? Forward bias, because P side is connected to positive and this N side is connected to negative. And in forward bias, this ideal diode will be what? A short circuit. Is it? Can you see here? Okay, so now we are going to solve one by one. Again, here you can see this circuit is there. So at the place of ammeter, I will make here one short circuit. This is ammeter is there. And here also at the place of diode, again I will make it short circuit. Now you can see very well, the circuit is looking very simple. So first one, we are going to calculate what? Total resistance. So here you can see very well, here you can see very well, this 4 ohm and 4 ohm is connected parallel, connected parallelly, because you can see here this 4 ohm connected parallelly. So when 4 ohm and 4 ohm connected parallelly, what will be there? It will be 2 ohm, because parallel means what will happen, that remember that here R parallel identical means R by 2. So it will become here 4 by 2, that means it will be 2 ohm here, is it? So 4 ohm in parallel, 2 ohm, and this 4 ohm is there, is it? This 4 ohm is there, and after that you can see here this battery is there. Is it 6 volt? And this is the battery terminal. This is the battery terminal. Anyhow, battery terminal. So what you can see now, this 4 ohm and this 2 ohm connected in series. Why? If in case current, for example, I is coming. So here also I, in this also I, in this also I, and again it will go I. So what you can see, this 4 ohm and 2 ohm connected in series. So if I talk about here the resistance of the circuit are equivalent, this will be how much here? 4 plus 2, and it will be how much here? 6 ohm. 6 ohm is there, is it? This one we have got it here. After that, next one, if I talk about here the second one, let's take, we are going to calculate the current. So here current I is there now. So what will be the I here? I is given by V by R equivalent. Okay, V how much is given? 6 volt. And resistance also how much here? 6. So 6 by 6, what is coming here? 1 ampere. The current is coming 1 ampere. After that, third one, I am going to calculate the potential drops. So here what is current is coming here? 1 ampere. So you can see also here how much current is there? I equal to 1 ampere current is coming. Is it? Very easy, very easy. 1 ampere current is coming. Now this 1 ampere current will completely pass by this resistor 4 ohm connected across CD. So if I calculate voltage across CD, it will be current I, and resistance how much is given here? 4 ohm. That means what we can tell here, this is coming here 1 into 4, and it will come here 4 volt, is it? So out of 6 volt, what is happening? 4 volt drop is happening here. Now can you see very well here? Here how much drop is happening here? Here 4 volt drop is happening, and you know very well we are dealing with the DC, KVL will be valid. So if here 4 volt drop is happening, across this resistors, how much drop will happen that here? Across this resistors, the drop will be 2 volts. So only 4 plus 2 will be 6, is it? If you know somewhat basics means you can tell very well. Otherwise, we can tell with one more basics also. Kindly see here, this current I is coming, both the sides path is identical. So here how much current will go? this side current will be I by 2, this side also current will be I by 2, because what a current divider theorem, both the sides path identical, so current will be I by 2, I by 2. After that, if I talk about here the voltage across AB, so what we can tell here, current how much here, you can see very well, I by 2, is it, and resistance how much here, resistance is the 4, okay. So I by 2 how much here, you know I is 1, so I can write here 1 by 2 into 4, what is coming here, this is coming here 2 volt. Even before also I told by the KVL what will be here, here 2 volt will be there, is it. So kindly see very well, what are the things we have got, resistance 6 ohm, current 1 ampere, VCD 4 volt, VAB 2 volt, is it. So if we will go for the back side, and here if we will see here, so total resistance of the circuit is 6 ohm, this is correct. Current in ammeter is how much here, 1 ampere ideal ammeter, this is also correct. Potential across AB is a potential across AB is 4 volt they are telling, but what we have got here, what we have got here, students, kindly see here, potential across AB is the 4 volt, is it. So kindly see here, potential across AB is coming how much here, 2 volt, that means this one is wrong, this one is wrong. And potential across CD is 4 volt, yes, that is correct. And the total resistance of the circuit is 8 ohm, anyhow this is wrong. So which option is going correct here, you can see A, B and D is the correct option, and here you can see option 1 is correct. Is it, students? So I hope so. This question of JEE 2025 based upon the diode in circuit is very clear to you. Keep studying, keep growing.